Withholding tax on digital content monetization has also been talked about. Withholding tax on digital content monetization. This is my response. I wish to clarify that the Finance Bill of 2026 does not contain a proposal introducing a 5% withholding tax on digital monetization, contrary to some media reports and comments. I think they have gone back to Finance Bill of 2024. Let them check the title, the headline. We are on 2026 Finance Bill. It doesn't have that withholding tax on digital content monetization, which is being talked about at 5%. May I give some distinction between the Finance Bill 2026 and earlier tax proposals? The National Treasury wishes to clarify that several issues currently being discussed in sections of the media and public debates, particularly matters associated with the withdrawn Finance Bill of 2024, are not contained in the Finance Bill of 2026. These include proposals relating to VAT on bread. It is nowhere in our bill. Motor vehicle circulation tax is not in the Finance Bill of 2026. For emphasis, I'm just reading this for emphasis, that VAT on bread, motor vehicle circulation tax, access to mobile money transaction data, and the eco levy proposals on funds are not in the Finance Bill of 2026. Those are historical things of 2024. We are in 2026.